Okay, so what's up, guys? It's your boy, motherfucking hacker Andrew here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get back online on the PlayStation Network with the new 0.6 fuck PSN. Now, this has just been released today. I already went ahead and I actually tested it out like I always do. It's working fine, and I've got all the files that you need. Once again, hit the like button if you hate people that give you downloads, but you have to do a survey. If you support that, hit the thumbs up if you really, really hate that. Anyway, let's get to it. Of course, I will provide you guys with all the files that you need. There's no split links or any of that shit. You guys know I hook you guys up pretty good. The only thing I ask in return is just hit the like button. I do appreciate it. I look back on the feedback to see how many people hit that shit, even though that sounded completely wrong. Completely wrong, but fuck it. Anyway, this folder that you're going to contain is going to go ahead and contain, let me autofocus here, it's going to contain the original CA24 dot certificate and the original 27 certificate. So just in case you didn't back it up, and since I failed to mention that you need to back it up, here I have it original CA24 and the original CA27. This file also comes along with the new FTP. This is no password needed. The Open PS3 FTP that has just come out, the version 1.5 or 105, whatever. You guys can go download that. Once again, you'll know the difference. Just install the GeoHot or whatever firmware you're on. Another thing that's going to come in the folder is the def blind. You need this to mess with the actual system files. So remember, you need to install that PKG, and then you need to have the def blind and the new FTP installed. Once you have those installed, we have the fuck PSN 0.6 for Windows, and we have the modded certificate 24 and the modded certificate 27. I went ahead and I actually did those for you guys. So that's a pretty cool thing. So let's get to it. First thing is first, you want to go ahead and grab your def blind. Go ahead and drag the correct one that goes with your firmware. Drag it to your flash drive. Then you want to go ahead and go into the new FTP and drag the GeoHot one. This is only for my subscribers. So after you're done doing that, go ahead and eject your flash drive. Bring that over to your PS3, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and on the PS3, what you want to go ahead and do is, I don't know why I'm still signed in. On the PS3, you're going to go over to Game, Install Package Files, press Enter, and you're going to install the defblind.geohot. There you go. And you should get a new screen that looks like this. Defblind, that means that you did it correct. And now we're going to go ahead and mount the FTP. So go ahead and jump back into Install Package Files and install the Open PS3 notepatch.geohot.pkg. There it is. Now we should have two, the Open FTP and the def blind. So what you want to go ahead and do is jump into the def blind. We're going to go ahead and mount that to our PS3. What I've been noticing is that every time you turn off your PS3 and you try to connect to FTP, it will not let you do it. You have to remount it in order to mess with it. So it says right there, def blind version 1.1 by Jay Gelano. Do not use program if you know exactly what you're doing. Capiche, and then just press OK. Do you want to unmount def blind? I'm going to hit no. Now, if it asks you, do you want to mount, just hit yes, mount that, and then it'll kick you back out to the XMB. So there's step one. We installed the def blind. All right. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and jump into the FTP. Let this load, jump into the Open FTP, and then we're going to go ahead and connect to it on our computer. So go ahead and open up FileZilla. There it is. There's my FileZilla. We're going to do the host. It's going to be 192.168.1.1. So there it is. Oops, .254. I do apologize for that. I'm having a brain fart. Alright, 192.168.1.254, press enter, and we're going to go ahead and accept that. We're going to connect. I don't know why it's not connecting. What the fuck is going on? Let's do another quick connect. Okay, let me go ahead and re-close. Alright, so sorry about that. I don't know what the fuck was going on. I had to restart FileZilla. we're going to go ahead and jump into dev blind. And then we're going to go into, and if for some reason you don't have dev blind, just go ahead and type that in, dev_blind at the search bar up here. And if it still doesn't work for you, you have to remount to the dev blind. So there it is. Go into that, and then we're going to go into data, then cert. Now here are all the certificates. These are all original. I replaced the CA24. You can simply do that by clicking on the CA24, click on it and delete it, and then grab the original one from the folder here. And we're going to be fixing this. So grab the original CA24, come right here and just delete the dot back. It's not important. Just make sure you have CA24.sir, and then you want to grab that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to delete this for you guys. So there it is. Are you sure? Yes. No more CA24. It goes from 23 to 25. So we need to put the original one back in here. Just drag and drop on the side. There it is. CA24. These are all original. Alright, so next thing's next. We're going to go ahead and grab the new modded CA24 or 27. This is the modded 27, the new one. Go ahead and open that and just have that there. Now on your FileZilla, go ahead and select your 27 right here. You're going to click on it again slowly. Just make sure to highlight it and then click dot back. And then just, if for some reason you can't back it up and you can't add that extension, just don't worry about it. I gave you the original one here in the files. So we're going to grab the modded 27. We're going to drag it and we're going to drop it in here. And you should have a new CA27.sir. So don't worry about that. Go ahead and close out of that. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this since I don't want to back it up. I'll just have it there in my folders. Alright, so there it is. There's a new modified CA27. Close FileZilla, close that. And then grab your folder and drag your fuckpsn 0.6 and bring it over to your Windows. I am using a Windows 7 here. I upgraded from Windows XP Service Pack 3 to Windows 7. Alright, so we're going to wait for this to load. On your PS3, go ahead and hit the home button and eject or quit back to the XMB because we're going to need to change a couple settings. So on your Windows, go ahead and run close fuckpsn 0.5 and delete it. Go ahead, throw it out there, make sure it's not running down here. And then open the new fuckpsn 0.6. You guys can see that it's 0.6 firmware there, or version. On your PS3, go ahead and go all the way to the left hand side, go to network settings, internet connection, click OK, click custom, and skip all the way to where it says IP address, manual, and then click next. Okay, now this is the trick. For your default router, that's going to stay the same. The primary and secondary DNS are now going to be the same computer IP address. So the secondary DNS, you're going to copy the top where the primary DNS is. So go ahead and switch that now. Sorry about that. Press enter, and then we're going to switch that to 104. And this is the only thing you're going to change is back to your computer's IP address. So there's 104, and then hit next, 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 save. Now, I'm not going to test the connection because I'm not ready yet. And then come back to your PS3, and you should get a pop-up that just says your firewall. Just go ahead and click allow. If for some reason you're having problems with fuckpsn, just to let you guys know, you can right-click on it. You can run as administrator. That'll fix sometimes the problem. If not, that doesn't work for you, just hit properties and then go over to compatibility and then click run, and then they have different things. So try all of these guys. Hopefully one will work for you and it won't crash. Anyway, so once 0.6 is up and running, you want to go ahead and sign into the PlayStation Store. It'll take a little bit longer, guys. It's not going to take that long, but it takes between 2 to 3 extra seconds. Usual delay between that. So if everything goes well, you should get back online 3.55. That you guys can see. I don't know why my HD TV is fucking acting weird right now. But anyway, so that's working, guys. Go ahead and show you guys that I'm still on 3.55, so you guys don't think I'm fucking with you. System settings, system info, there you guys go, 3.55. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys can get back online. And don't forget, it's your boy motherfucking Hacker Andrew here. Alright guys, peace.